Hi friends, welcome to Taming Python series. In this video, we're going to talk about how to center the matplotlib axis at 0, 0 or the center of the figure. So basically what we're going to talk about is, generally if you draw a plot, it will look something like this. It will be like a plot inside a box. But there might be some situations where we want to plot data and the x and y axis should be something like this and they should be intersecting at 0, 0. Or else we might have some requirements like the x and y axis should be at the center of the image, and the center may not be 0, 0. It may be something else. So how can we achieve this? This is the left spine, this is the bottom spine, this is the right spine, and this is the top spine. So in order to achieve this type of result, what we can do is we can move the left spine to the center of the figure, and then we can move the bottom spine to the middle of the figure so that we can get a setup like this, and we can make this top and right side spines to disappear so that I can get plus like look and I will get my desired look of the plot. So let's try to do that with a demo. I'm going to take a blank folder. I'm going to open it with VS Code. I'm going to create a new file and I'm going to name it index.py. First I'll import matplotlib.pyplot as plt, and then I'll take some data to be plotted. So I'll just taking this x and y data so that I can plot some data, right? So I got some x and y data. So now I'll plot using matplotlib. So I'll use figure handle comma axis equal to plt dot subplots, and I've got my figure and axis handles. Now on this axis handle I will just plot the data. So I'll just write ax dot plot of x comma y. So now I can plot this data. So at the end I will just show this plot so that I can show you how the data looks like if we don't move the spines. So if I just run this, you can see I've got the plot enclosed in a box like axis, right? So now in order to center my axis, so what I have to do is I have to move the spines, right? So with the axis handle I can access the spines. So ax dot spines of bottom dot set position 0. So what this line does is basically it will move this bottom spine to the position where x equal to 0. So let me y equal to 0. So let me try to run this and see how it looks like. You can see my bottom spine has risen up to the position where y equal to 0. Alright, so now the next thing is I have to move the left spine to the center. So what can I do is I will just write ax dot spines, and here I'm going to write left spine. I'll just write left spine dot set position, and here I'm going to write the position as 0. So it will come to the left spine will come to the position where x equal to 0 now. So now let me try to save and run this. Here you can see the x-axis left spine has come to the position where x-axis is 0. So now I need to remove this top and right spine now, right? I will access the spine using ax dot spines of right, and I'll just write set color as none. So what I'm doing is I'm setting the color of the right spine as none. That means it will be there but it won't be visible. So let me try to run this and show you the result here. So you can see the right spine has disappeared. So now let me try to make the top spine also disappeared. So I'll just copy this line and I'll just write axis dot spines of top dot set color as none. So what happens is that the top spine will also be invisible now. So let me try to save this and run this. Now you can see we got the desired output where your axis will be centered at 0, 0 and your plot will look something like this instead of something like a plot inside a box. All this is the case with the center of the intersection of x and y axis is 0, 0. So if you want this y axis and x axis intersection to be in the middle of the figure, then it's really simple, guys. You just have to do, instead of set position of bottom as 0, you can write it as center, and instead of left spine keeping the position of 0, you can keep it as center. So what happens is that instead of moving the bottom spine where y equal to 0, it will keep the spine at the position where y is at the center of the figure. And the same way, instead of keeping the left spine at x equal to 0, it will make it at the position where it is in the center of the figure. So now let me try to save it and run this. You can see the spines are not intersecting at 0, 0, but you can see the spines are in the middle of the axis. So this might be a requirement in some cases. So this is also covered by just changing the input of this set position. So that's it guys, just by controlling the spine position of the subplot, you can achieve the desired centering of the x and y axis. So these are the three cases which we covered today. The first one is just by doing nothing, you will get a plot inside a box. And the second scenario is by moving the spines to the position 0, you can get the intersection of x and y axis to the position 0. And instead of using the position 0, if you keep the spine position as center, you will get the intersection of x and y axis at a position where it is in the center of the figure. You can see I have created a blog post on centering the plot axis in Matplotlib. I have also given the source code so that you can copy paste and practice it in your own PC. So be sure to check out the link of this blog post I have given in the description of this video. Hope you like this video. Thank you for watching guys.